Hello guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video about Dexscreener. Today I would like to show you how to view Memecoins market capitalization on Dexscreener. So firstly, let's open up Dexscreener, or you can use another service for it, but I advise you to use this one. Just go to this URL and here on the main page you'll see the most popular tokens, meme coins. And right here, by the way, at the last column you can find the market capitalization for these meme coins. Or you can search for the necessary meme coin. For example, let's select this one, Flame. And on the Memecoins page on the right side, you can find all information about this meme coin. For example, market capitalization right here, liquidity, price, and so on. Hope my video was clear for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Bye bye.